We have improved it, strengthened the provisions, and provided for better drafting as the legal counsel guide regarding the actual provisions. Mr. Chairman, a very important issue from the women leaders across the country. As a committee, you have done quite a lot in terms of providing for progressive laws on various issues, constitutional amendments on so many things. But this parliament, I am one of the members that came with very high expectations, and many other women, that we shall have at least some gender-related legislations. So for many of us who are in this parliament, we came for that cause. And the committee owes, at least for posterity reasons, that you need to at least get out 1 or 2 bills from this very good committee that will cater for gender-related laws in the country.
Is that all the gender-related bills will be cleared by this committee before May. That's the undertaking we made. So if there is anything, this is the first committee of parliament in the history of Uganda that is handling all gender-related things. No?
That will be well received.
Except the marriage and divorce.
Well, I hope you don't want to be on record on that, Chair.
No, that is not before this committee. It is in the plenary.
Okay, but it was referred to this same committee as well.
Yeah, it is a bill that was half finished. So we need maybe further instruction. It was just for us to go on and say we start from clause 23.
I'm glad Honorable Vichetero is here.
The clerk who was ordered to print more copies. Yes, just need to give the members copies and we debate it. My mother was a woman and my father was a man. So gender complete.
Gender complete and gender, sensitive man.
Yes.
You owe it to that mother of yours and many other women in Uganda, Honorable Chair.
Beautiful truth.
Yeah, for that purpose, Mr. Chair, I'm here on behalf of many women in Uganda.
So there were some concerns about, was it in this bill? About spouses and their succession. Yeah. There were some concerns about
okay, one of
some new nomenclature about
marital rape.
Marital rape.
We don't have that, Mr. Chair.
And the concerns about, you remember when we had friends here who came unnatural
offences.
And they said these are the hormones and the LGBTI. You want to refer to us to that clause that covers that?
Mr. Chairman, we have just replicated what we have in the penal code in section 11 for unnatural offences. We've not done anything with it. We've just provided the same clause in essence to just bring together any provision in any law that deals with sexual offences under this. So there's not much we've done with it. I don't know how the committee will deal with it because it's a highly politicized issue from some sections of the public. The ball is in your courts. But I sought as the mover to maintain the status quo as it is. Maybe it is a safer position.
Why do you pick it from the penal code to here? Penal code is of 1923. So what are you changing?
We are consolidating all the laws in one proposal for ease of reference for the practitioners.
Clause 11 says unnatural offences. The penal code talks about the same. A person who performs a sexual act with another person contrary to the order of nature, or engages in a sexual act with an animal, commits an offense and is liable on conviction to imprisonment for 10 years. So unnatural act. The other one is lesbianism, homosexuality, and
bestiality.
One is
bestiality.
Both are covered in the penal code, but here the punishment is a little.
I think increased a little.
Yes, when those people came, you wanted to remove your...
Well, Chair, I really think that the move of the bill should have considered the issue of should have broadened this aspect of unnatural offences. And, you know, the bill does not define unnatural is. And so it is so...
Yes.
The other issue, the bill does not address, whereas it seeks prohibiting child
marriage.
Not child marriage here, but like promoting child sex, it should have also this child sex tourism.
That's what
Child sex tourism.
child sex tourism, yes.
I have a proposal, Honorable Chair. This is a big bill and a very important bill and has some controversial clauses. I want to thank the mover.
Honorable Chair, I thought I still had the floor. On the aspect of,
I'm not debating.
on the aspect of
You are giving information.
on the aspect of it provides
What is the problem, child sex tourism? I thought it is the bill protects the child.
And precisely deals with pedophiles. Yeah.
Well, yes. It provides for rape, and the punishment it proposes is imprisonment for life. But then when it comes to aggravated rape, if I'm reading it properly, it provides for 10 years.
Aggravated.
Yes.
That's when a man goes for...
So I don't know whether it's what you intended.
Not exceeding 10 years.
Yes.
Can even
Clause
be
3 too.
one man. That's...
Was it attempted or aggravated?
Aggravated rape?
No, it is attempted.
Yeah, you're right.
Aggravated rape, where rape is committed in any of the following... Yeah, it's aggravated, the heading.
Oh, but down.
The sexual offender is infected with HIV.
Certain.
This is an
It is an
attempt.
attempt.
Yeah, it's an attempt. The
Where
other
is
an
suffers
attempt?
death.
Where is it?
Two. There's clause 2, subclause 2.
Yes, a person who attempts to perform a sexual act in
Okay.
circumstances referred to in commits an offense and is liable to conviction. But this was not covered under the HIV thing.
Act.
Prevention, yeah. Is I think provides for that law, isn't? Was that a certain law?
Needs to be harmonized.
So,
Nobody is using it. I have not had anybody check that.
so Chair, I think that's all I had, except that since
She had pressed our mind in many, many things. We had many controversial things.
Yes.
Honorable member, but this bill has managed to, because she had a take home, she was able now to see our report, which I gladly asked the clerk to give her so that she can incorporate. So this bill is supposed to be very rich,
Yes.
with less controversies.
And Mr.
I
Chairman,
accept the natural,
She has cured them.
unnatural
unnatural,
offences.
whatever.
unnatural.
Why are you shy about that, Madam?
Mr. Chair,
Honorable Chair,
Yes.
I've been part of that process, so I know she has done a good job. But for me, my proposal was, now that she has presented to us, can we, for purposes of wanting ownership by members of this committee, can we defer the date so that we can...
I give you information. I think you came at it today. We are going to find a day, maybe 2 days. We are going either to be residential or where, to give justice to this bill. For the other sexual, well, not sexual, succession related, Thursday we are going for likely to go for a retreat for report writing. There are about 5 which bill is on succession. This country has been suffering. This committee, everyone in this committee should have been elected by Ugandans.
Yeah.
But they punished us for whatever reason. We made more bills. Huh? Yes. And the system that is there, I think these committee members, Clark, we shall need a good time to really say thank you to these committee members. Everyone. I think you people have worked hard. You know. So we are going to arrange for sexual offences workshop or a retreat. When we are there, the retreat, workshop and retreat, we've come out with the report. Yes, sorry. A sign, and this must be this month. This month is time to work. By next month, we are just presenting them in the plenary. Yes. And I want to be a very happy man that I've made the law, participated in the law that protects me also. Sexual offences, I hope it's not looking only at the women.
No.
The women also are harassing us terribly. So,
They are protecting you, it's all in here.
so
They are protecting you sexually.
okay, but very mildly. Because they know we are the Masushla, we are the offenders.
And false allegation somewhere.
I saw false allegation. That is a very important one. Yeah.
I hope it won't work against the women again. Mr. Chairman, thank you.
But why would they make false allegation?
Yeah, that's the
False allegation should be criminal, as is proposed.
Yes.
You see, somebody says, oh, this one touched my boobs. And I say, I did not. So, if you're putting on the same dress or blouse, they have to go and do forensic. Whether my fingers are on that, don't change your dress. If I touch, and should be where? If I touched here, the stomach, and you say I touched your boots or boobs or bums, those are protected areas.
Reserve.
Yeah, reserved for the owners. Yeah. And this is a bill of decency. This is the only bill that will. Those who will oppose it, they will be. We shall isolate them and.
And pass the bill.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you
And
very
we want to thank you, member. I think you, as a mover, you are working out with our secretariat.
Yes.
It has to be this month. Next month, people are start. Next month, other people are going to Chankwanza.
Yes.
Yes, so for about 1 month. So you won't have members. So it has to be this month. And even without your workshop, we shall do it. Don't think that we shall be held like hostage.
Right now in the middle, we're treated like the Marigold.
Well,
Because
thank you very much.
agencies have already given their opinion on this. It was you to speak on this new form. And then if there's any, unfortunately I have nobody to write what I'm saying. So you see when you, and I'm not saying you write. As a lawyer we know if you're speaking and the judge is not writing, you move him and the judge says, yes, when you say something worth writing, I will write it. You know he has accused you that you're stupid. Saying nothing useful. Yes, thank you very much. Count ourselves dismissed. Member, I will ask Honorable Paul Akamba to see you.
Convince and incorporate my.
Yes, that's why I'm.
Okay, thank you very much, Chair.
Yes.